Leo and his father went for a drive today. They are passing through the city. Oh no! Aliens have attacked their city.
Huh?
Search for the light that could just open my eyes. Sixth floor right now.
Oh no! Aliens are coming towards them.
Don't know where's my soul right now. I'd stay with the middle time. Sixth floor ground. Still my head, maybe I could be flying. When you try to show it.
Huh? Huh?
The aliens run away, fearing the arrival of the army. Everyone started praising Leo Baba for his bravery, and Leo father was given state honors.
A group of evil robber cats come to a bank.
We will rob the whole bank, ha ha ha.
Hello, hello, police. Save us from robbers.
Please wait. We are
Coming now.
And Officer Gucci gets ready with his team. And Gucci surrounds the bank with his entire force. The group of robbers got scared. And they started shooting indiscriminately out of fear. And Gucci bravely arrests bank robbers. He threw the leader of the robbers in jail for life. Everyone is happy and praising Gucci. Gucci vows to protect them for the rest of his life. Gucci was promoted for his courage. The Gucci comes to his house happily. Gucci's family consists of his wife and his only son. Gucci decides that he will go on a family trip today.
I will kill your whole family, Officer Gucci.
Robber David plans to escape by digging a hole in the ground. And to kill the Gucci family, David broke jail's back. David hides a time bomb in Gucci's car, but Gucci has no idea about this. But David was following them. David presses the bomb button in his hand. Gucci and his wife died, but safe only Gucci's son, Alex. Alex walks in and sits under a bridge. Leo is very impressed by Alex. She takes Alex to her village. Leo's house was in a forest. Actually, Leo is a retired American secret agent. Leo brings Alex to his home and heals him. Leo sets out to make Alex a hero. Leo prepares Alex to avenge the death of Alex's parents. Alex is separated from his foster father, Leo. He started his journey towards the city. Alex climbs up a tall building, looking for David through binoculars. At that time, David is bothering a girl named Elizabeth with his band of robbers. Hearing Elizabeth scream, Alex looked around the one through the binoculars and saw David's face matching the face of the picture he had. This is David, murderer of parents. Alex comes in fast and puts up a great fight like a true hero. Alex defeats everyone in the gang and hands David over to the police. Alex and Elizabeth become very good friends. Alex cries a lot when he visits his parents' graves. Alex becomes a brave police officer, just like his father.
La vida.
Orange Cat defeats Superman.
Orange Cat defeats Superman.
Orange Cat
Cat
defeats
Superman. Cat defeats a Superman. How is Cat defeats Superman?
I challenge you.
A boxing match will be held with me and the Orange Cat. You go and tell the media to promote it.
You just promote TV about the boxing match between Batman and Orange Cat.
And the Orange Cat gets ready for the boxing match.
Kill him.
Oh no, Orange Cat is captured by Batman's henchmen. The Orange Cat is now getting out of the car.
Who sent you to kill me?
Batman?
After defeating them, the Orange Cat heads back to the boxing club.
Sir, we are sorry.
Okay, no problem. I will now use Plan B.
And they both appear in the boxing ring. Oh no. Orange Cat is defeated by Batman.
Wake up, my son. Thanks, my father.